guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Tianna Squarrel, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Follow by clicking the bell that's right next to the subscribe button so you're notified on every single video I upload, because frankly, why wouldn't you want to be? I'm your bestie, you're my bestie, and if we're not besties, we're gonna be besties. So hit the subscribe button plus the bell so you're notified every time your bestie or potential bestie uploads a new video. Lastly, give me a thumbs up and share this video because it truly helps me out a lot. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So before we get into my little mini Miami vlog, because you guys know I'm horrible at vlogging, but I did try to vlog a little teeny bit. Before we get into my mini Miami vlog, I wanted to show you guys a few items that I picked up from Missguided. It's literally like maybe like 5 or 6 items, so it's not gonna be that many, but I picked up a few items from Missguided for my Miami trip to give me like that Miami vibe. So if you guys want to see some of the items that I picked up, then please keep on watching. If you also want to see my mini vlog after this try haul, then please keep on watching. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and you are subscribed. And also, every single thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys is gonna be linked down below, so click the link down below to make it easier for you guys to shop all these items. So let's get into the try on portion of this video. So the first 2 items that I got from Missguided was basically this cropped knitted cardigan, as well as like this satin skirt with this like crazy designs on it. Now given, I love this skirt, but it's not for what you think I love it for, like the designs or the colors. Like, yes, I love the colors, but I love the skirt because if you take the drawstrings and you do it like that, tell me this ain't giving you body. Like, tell me this ain't giving you what it needs to give. I love this skirt 10 times more because it does that. Now you can leave the strings hanging, but I like to tie them just to give it a little bit more extra pizzazz, and I just think it's so cute. I did get this skirt altered before I went to Miami just because the waist was too big, but it did fit my hips. So recommending, like, if your waist to like hip ratio is a little bit off, definitely just buy your normal size that fits your hips and then just take it to like the alteration shop and get it altered. But I love this skirt. So here's the skirt from the side. It's really just, it gives me Miami vibes. But yeah, I got this skirt and this sweatshirt from Missguided, and I'll link all the sizes to everything down below. So the next item that I got from Missguided was just this oversized top. Now when I was in Miami, you could see that I didn't wear this as a top, I wore this as a cover up. But if I did wear it as a top, I would probably wear it with like some boyfriend jeans like this and just like tie it in the front to kind of give more shape. I do feel like this top does make you look very huge, but if you tie it a little bit, it kind of comes together just a little bit. But here it is up front. It does have like this little weird ruching. It's like this little olive green. I love this top a lot. So yeah. Okay, so this is the next top, and it's just basically like this sheer black knotted top or whatever. It has like a knot effect in the front. I love this because it has like the split. It does come with this little bra, but I'm not even gonna act like I can fit this little bra because I can't, but it's a good option if you have small boobs. I personally like to like make it more casual with a cute, like I said, boyfriend jean. But I think this top is really just dope. And again, it's good for the summer because even though it's long sleeve, it's sheer, so it's very breathable. You will not be sweating in this. It's just not too constricting. I love the fact that I can lift my arms up and down and not feel like it's tight. It does have a little bit of a stretch to it. So yeah, this is really cute. So this is the white exposed seam Maddox dress, and I like the dress, don't get me wrong, they have it in white and black, but I just don't like the fit, or the fabric. It's like very stretchy to the point that it could be like a little baggy, and I feel like if I was to wear this dress throughout the day, it will become baggier. I got this in a size US 8. I definitely think I could have got it in like a 6 because it's really baggy. Like, you might not be able to tell on camera, but it's really baggy, and I can just tell by the material that throughout the day, if I was to wear this dress, it would just get looser and looser, and I don't like that. Like, I like my clothes to be tight all day. Now I did have one more dress to show you guys, but honestly it just don't fit. So this is the white fro neck cutout embroidered mini dress, and it's a really cute mini dress. I love the fact that like it ties in the front. The hip part itself fits me, but the breast part, I cannot tie this over my breast. I don't know about this, but yeah, it just doesn't fit. It's a really cute dress, but it just doesn't fit. But yeah, so this is the last item. So that was all the items that I picked up from Missguided. All the items will be linked down below. If you want to pick up some of them and try them for yourself, I'll link them down below. Now let's get on to this mini vlog. You guys, we are back in Miami, and with another one. I just feel like this is home now because we're literally always here. Like,
Definitely home.
always here. Every single vlog that it's outside. We're in Miami, so we're back. So we're back. We just got to our hotel. I'll show you our hotel and stuff like that when we get a little bit together, because we literally just got here and we like toured a little bit. But we don't have like the keys yet to like go to every part. So yeah, we're probably about to go and get something to eat and then get our nails done, because girl, it's a fucking mess. It's a mess. You guys, we're in the nail salon and they're trying to upsell the shit out of us. These are the nail prices. I'm getting my toes done, even though I don't really need them done. I'm just getting them done just because. The lady's over here getting her stuff done too. Huh? What did you say? Yes, but we're getting our stuff done now. So we just got to our room at the Getaway East Miami Hotel. If you're in Miami or if you're coming to visit Miami, you shouldn't stay here because they're ghetto. They don't accommodate you on what you book. They got us staying in this room with one bed, and it literally says on the freaking booking 2. And now they're saying that they're booked for the rest of the weekend, so we have one bed. We in this little room. For the amount of money we paid, we could have stayed around the corner at the other place and would have had a way better experience like we did last time. It's just, I don't know. So we're just sitting here trying to figure out what to do, whether we should go around the corner to the other hotel, or I don't know. But yeah, this is Miami. Just ghetto. Later on in the day, we went out to Din Din, and that was fun. And I was talking crap about the hotel earlier. They fixed our problem, so we have to stay in this room for one night, and then tomorrow we get to switch to our original room that we were supposed to be in. So yeah, so dinner was great. My makeup looks great, even though I have this fat ass pimple on my face. The lady's over there on her phone. We're trying to decide whether we're gonna go back outside. Wait, what happened?
Take out me, please.
Wait, so
No, we should go back outside.
we heard. Oh damn! Oh my god, I can't speak English. I had 2 glasses of wine and a shot, so I'm a little bit buzzed. Ow! I just popped my hip. But yeah, might change my I am gonna change my clothes. I'm burning the up in this, and then touch up our makeup and our hair. Charge our phone for a little bit, and then we're going outside. So y'all not coming because y'all can be all in my business. But I'll see y'all tomorrow when we go shopping. Big purr out. You guys, so we're at the pool finally. We've been here since Saturday, and this is the first time that we came to the pool. It's our last day here, and I haven't vlogged at all, honestly, because I just ain't been feeling like it. I tried. Yeah, and plus like a lot of stuff that we were doing were just like private, and it was like between me and ladies, so like it just wasn't vloggable. And we were talking about that last night. We're like, some of the stuff that we talk about that might be super funny on videos, it'll just expose us too much, and it's like we can't talk about it. So all the fun stuff that we do, we can't vlog it. So yeah, this is our last day shopping today, so maybe I'll vlog that. My hair looks crazy. This wig needs to come the fuck off. It's so far back. But yeah, so obviously I didn't vlog that much when I was in Miami because obviously I'm already back home. But I'm basically, yeah, anytime I go somewhere, I just really like to enjoy it, and I just sometimes forget to vlog. But I'm excited to be back home. I had a phenomenal time in Miami with Lady. I always have fun with Lady because like she's just fun. I met some new people, and yeah. But right now I'm about to just do my routine as soon as I get home. Like I basically, hi Mr. Kanye, say hi, yo, sir. Say hi, my name is Sir. My name is Shul. My name is Shul Tuckson, and I'm so handsome. I'm such a handsome boy. Basically, as soon as I get home, I do not sit down at all because I was in the airport. So I unpacked my suitcase. So Miso's over there right now, so I'll show you. I'm basically unpacking my suitcase. There's Misi. These bags right here for like my dirty clothes. So I already took some of that stuff out and put it in the washing machine. I'm about to literally wash what I have on, get in the shower. So once I'm done showering, then I'm going to finish unpacking my luggage. And yeah, so that's gonna conclude it for today. My camera's actually dying, so yeah, and I have a super bad headache. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.